If the images from the WhatsApp application does not show in the gallery of your Samsung S25 or S26, then let us see how to fix it under 2 minutes. For that one, open WhatsApp application, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, go to this chats, and here there is an option media visibility. Make sure that it is enabled. Go back and we will go to this option storage and data. Under media auto download, there is an option when using mobile data. So if you want to download photos and videos using mobile data, you have to select it. And there is another option when connected on Wi-Fi. So you can select all of this option. So once you have done these two things, you will go to settings again, and then you will go to apps. Open it. We will look for WhatsApp. Open it. Go to storage and select this option clear cache. So we will just clear the cache only. So once you do this one, you will be able to see the images that are present in the WhatsApp messages in the gallery also. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.